In this lesson, we will be looking at whether a number is part of a solution set for an inequality. To do this, we can use a number line and substitute the number for the variable to verify that it fits the number sentence. X is greater than negative 18. Is 3 greater than negative 18? Yes, it is, so this is a solution. Is 30 greater than or equal to 30? Because it has an is greater than or is equal to, 30 is equal to 30, so yes, this is a solution. Is 22 less than or equal to 12? 22 is actually greater than 12, so this one is not a solution. Is negative 8 less than negative 8? No, it is not. They are equal to each other, so this is not a solution. Is 0 greater than negative 9? Yes, 0 is greater than negative 9, so this is a solution. Is negative 100 less than or equal to negative 1? Since negative 100 is to the left of negative 1 on the number line, it is smaller, so this is a solution. We can also work through this using sentences. First step is to identify the inequality, then write the number sentence, then you can graph your information. In New York State, the law states that a person must be at least 16 years old to drive a vehicle. At least 16 years old is our inequality, so we are going to have n has to be greater than or equal to 16. First, put your numbers down. Then, since it's greater than or equal to, we will be using a closed circle on 16, and since we want numbers larger than 16, we are going to graph to the right. In the United States, the law states that a person must be 18 or older to vote. Since you can be 18 or older, this means we are using a greater than or equal to symbol. N is greater than or equal to 18. Please notice the mistake there in the inequality. You need the line underneath. Then, put in your numbers. We should be using a closed circle, not an open circle, and graphing to the right. You only have $15 to spend on your friend's birthday gift. So you can spend 15, but you can't spend more than 15. So in this case, we are doing a less than or equal to. Put your numbers in, use your closed circle, and this time we are drawing our arrow to the left because we need numbers smaller than 15. Students are required to stay home from school if their temperature is above 102. So if you are at 102, you're okay, but if it's above 102, you have to stay home. This means n is greater than 102. Put your numbers down. We are using an open circle on 102 and then graphing the line to the right. Our last problem, if your suitcase weighs more than 50 pounds, you need to pay extra. So it can weigh 50, but once it gets over 50, then you need to pay more. So n is greater than 50. Put your numbers down. You need an open circle on 50, and then fill in the arrow to the right.